Hello Driving Intelligence community. As a follow-up to fixing this dryer, the parts finally came in. I'm back in town. Let's get this back together and working again. Here's the kit. This is the new one. Slightly different design than the old one, but in terms of installability, it's the same. Back cover's removed, and now we're going to install this thermal fuse. And voila, it's working. We've got good heat coming out. The dryer is useful for maybe another 14 years. As a bonus to this video, here's a little honeydew stuff that I had to take care of for my parents as well. You can see that discoloration and the corrosion there. Apparently this flared up. You can see the corrosion on this. It heated up, and actually that insulation was melted. So I'm replacing this, but what concerns me more is that the GFCI did not trip, so I'm also going to replace the ground fault circuit interrupter. So just a little bonus material at the end of my dryer video. Again, thanks for watching.